Good day, traders. Good day, traders. This is Zone.fx, where we wait, we trap, and we strike. So I want to do analysis on EURUSD. So I'll just be starting from my weekly. So you can say I've done analysis before, but I just feel like I need to do this I use this analysis to teach someone. So I want to use it to teach you people now so that people can understand it. So if you love what you be, if you please, before we start, I'll beg you people at the long run, if you like what you are hearing, the teaching, you find it educative, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, comment. Go to my description, you see my WhatsApp number, my TikTok, and follow me on TikTok, WhatsApp me, ask your question. I'm definitely going to answer. I'm in here for free. I don't collect money from you guys to teach you. So I feel all these things needs to be teach. It's not everybody that have the money to pay for mentorships. So there's something about, I'll be starting from ranging circle. It's ranging circle I actually want to teach. So I will now mark my weekly, my analysis, but ranging circle will make me understand and will make you to also understand what the market, all this thing that is happening, what is actually doing. And there's one thing about ranging circle: for a new range to start, there must be a sweep, and a price must create a protected low or high. Maybe we are formally in an uptrend like this. Uptrend, this is just a textbook version. For, let's say, for a new range to start, price will sweep and create another new range like this. This sweep that happen here is a sweep that give us this new range, and here is what a protected high. Yes. So price will do what? Take out all this internal liquidity. These are internal liquidity or structural liquidity. Price will take all of them out. Once price take all of them out, but it won't take it will just take it out to the second to the last swept. Let's say this second to the last swept that give us this bullish move. So now once price take this out, price will do what again? Give us another range by giving us something like this. Let me draw it out. Price will give us something like this. I just want to explain this before going to the chart so we understand. So this is another new range that I want to happen. This is a sweep. And you can see price do what? Sweep this second to the last. So price give us a new range now. And these are what? In this downtrend, these are internal range, like internal liquidity or structural liquidity, anyhow you want to call it. And once price gets to this second to the last, price will do what again? Sweep it. Price will sweep it and give us another new range. Close below, do something like this. Price will start doing what? Taking out this a structural liquidity here that price was forming. And this thing, we see it on every time frame, just depending on how you can strain your eyes. You can see this was this last range here. This was this. Once you see something like this, price is automatically going to take out every structure. Like if you see a break of structure from this last external range, price is coming to do what? Sweep it. And once price sweep it, it will be move up like this, take it all out till it gets to this very last range and continue moving down. This is just how price move. It's called range circle. That is how price moves from an external range to an external range. And once price give us an external range, it's coming to target other internal liquidity, internal structure. And once you see price target is first, this almost like second to the last range that price give us, is coming to target another structural liquidity. Like just like that, the way I explain it like this. So I don't want to bore you guys with too much talk. So let's go into the charts to find this out and use it to analyze. So if you love what you have been hearing, like the lesson so far, please subscribe. I'm begging, subscribe. Let's subscribe so that we can be doing analysis like once in a week, every day before the week starts. So also you see my TikTok description, you see my TikTok page on the description. My WhatsApp number is there, Telegram channel. Just follow me. If you have any question, ask me on WhatsApp. You can ask me on TikTok, on Telegram. I will definitely answer you. I'm always active. So with the whole story we have said so far, sorry, it's not easy to teach you. I understand if somebody asks you to bring money, but I just want to do this for free because I understand the pain I go through when I was then before I can gather money to pay for mentorship and the rest. So let's first look for external range. Once we're able to get external range, we now look for internal range. So let's start from here. Let's start from this. Let's start from this level here. You can see price was coming down. And when price was coming down now, the way I zoom it like this, I already see the range already. But for beginner, let's just do it for a beginner purpose, like some beginner and people here for the range for the first time. You can see what the price did. Price give us a break of structure here. This is the final break of structure. And price did what? Price swept. This candle did what? Sweep. This candle sweep and start moving upward. When price was moving upward, take out this. This is a range here. Price took it out. Another range here. Price took it out. These are structural liquidity that price took out. You can see another range here. Price took it out. You can see how price took out every range there. Because these are under structural range here. You can see how price took them out. And you can all agree with me. This is a range here too. A range here. But price did not do what? Take out this range. We already took out all this range. Sorry guys. Welcome back guys. Sorry. I paused it a little while before I went to do something. So you can see where we stopped. Price did what? Take out all this structural liquidity. And how do you know that price wants to reverse? Normal, this is, if we change this to line chart, you can say this is second to the last liquidity, that structural liquidity that price did. But price did not come this far again, since price has already given us a ranging. This is what? A range. And I think I need to off these magnets. Disable. Since price has already taken out, giving us this range high. This is a range high liquidity. Price did what? Take it out all. Once price take it out, it did what? Price did not bother to, you can see a ranging liquidity. Price did not bother to target this last. It did what? It gave us a swept. And how do you know a new range want to start? We saw a new range want to start. We saw this. And this is also a what? a impulsive, okay, I think there's something I want to, this move like this from here to here is an impulsive move. It's an impulsive move that if you see something like this in the chart, price is coming to target that move. So you can see how did price do it. What price targets that move. Let me off this. Price target that move, fill in that move and take it out. You can see price filling that move. Once price filling that move, we have a what, I don't want this video to be long, so I'm trying to be fast. But if you did not understand anything, message me, I will definitely reply. Price did what, price swept, give us a sweep. Once price give us a sweep now, and price did what, take out this range, this internal, this first internal or structural range for this up move that price was doing. This, this is an up move. After price give us a structural range circle here, like a external range circle here, it's moved this up part now, and now price did what, swept it. After price swept it now, it took out this structural range also. Once price take out that structural range, it's telling us that what, we want to start selling, and you can see how price start doing what, selling. After we have that sweep, price doing what, start selling, start selling, start selling. And when price was selling, it was giving us what, this is, let's say this is an internal range here, which is also known as structural liquidity. This is another one here. This is another one here. Can even see this one. When price took it out, it sell for a while first. You can see those level here, those level here. So you can see those level now. Price did what, take them out on the weekly. Price take them out again. After price get to this second to the last, what do we see? Price take it out, buy up, sell back to create a sweep. Let's call this a sweep. A sweep. And once price sweep again, it start giving us again, it moves up again, start giving us another structural liquidity, which is also internal liquidity. You can see another one again. You can see how price is moving, how price, but it will never come to this. Once price give us a, like a structural range circle, it will not come to that structural range circle, because this will be a protected high, price will not come there again. Price will not come there again. If we check this level too, price swept, it give us that protected high, price will not come there again. That is just typically how price move. Price will not come there again, because after price create this internal liquidity, which is also known as structural liquidity, price swept, give us a sweep here, create an internal, a protected high here again, and price did what, price take it out. You can see that's just how price move. That is how price move. Take them out, took them out. You can see again after price, this is one thing I want you to know. On the higher time frame, price will always command, price will only give you two external range liquidity. You can see this is the first one and this is the second one. Once you see that price take out, give us two external range liquidity, know that, like when price give us this first one, it moves up, come down, give us another one, move up. Know that the coming down is coming out. It's coming to do what? Take out what? The overall, the two liquidity it gave us. Hope you see this two liquidity external range, it took them out. After it taking them out again, it did what? It give us a sweep. This is a sweep now. Give us a sweep, and after that sweep, it created. You can see what happened here now. It's also what's happening here. You can see what happened in this box here. You can see it's also happening here. You can see how price is moving. How price is moving. This is range circle. This is range circle. Range circle of how price move. You can see price took it out. After took it out, give us that sweep. Break this structural internal one. Break it. You can see how price just broke everything. Broke it to what? To the second to the last. This is the second to the last. That's the second to the last what? Second to the last liquidity that price created. Second to the last liquidity that price did what? Created. You can see how price did what? Swept it. It's giving us what? Here's a what? Here's a, I told you that price will always take out two like circle external circle range before moving in another direction. Like now price is doing what? Give us this protected eye. So it's possible that price did what? This was when price moved. Give us this one and two. Now price is doing what? Trying to come down. It's possible that when price gets to this level, I just want to tell you a possible scenario. This is the last. I don't want to mark the, but let's mark it. After price swept this is an internal range, which is also a structural liquidity. Another structural liquidity here. Second to the last structural liquidity here. I just hope you guys understand what I'm saying too. So it's very possible that when price gets to this, and this is an imbalance, that price needs to what? Needs to come and fill out. Because when you observe an imbalance, when you're analyzing, price will definitely come to that imbalance before moving to a direction. So now it's possible that when price do something like this, take them out, come back, take them out, come back, take them out, also creating another what? External liquidity, structural liquidity, get to this second to the last phase. It can possibly do what? It has already created this 1 2 now. It's creating this 1 2. It will come back to this level again because this is the last level that it took out these two external circle. So it will just, we will be observing from here again. We expect something like this, give us something like this, a sweep and move up. So this moving up, that is moving up now, it's coming to take out this 1 and 2, and if probably I think there is a 3 there, so we take them out, these two, and do what? Move down back again to take out this 1 2 and give us this. This is just how price move. But this thing I draw here now, it may take months before it gets achieved. But I just want us to understand the frame, the basics, the frame of the structure, like how it moves. Sorry guys, I'm trying to be observant with the time. I don't want to exceed some time so that it will be easy for you to watch. So now don't forget, you want to do a daily analysis, but I just use this to explain. So now me seeing this now, let me delete, let me swipe everything. I'm not more talking about range circle, but the first part of it is range circle. So if you love what you are seeing, what you have learned so far, if this is educative to you, subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, ask question on the comment box. I'll reply. Check my description box. You see my TikTok and follow me on TikTok. You see my WhatsApp number there also. Message me through that WhatsApp number. So now back to our analysis. Just straight and forward. There was range here and price did not sweep this last range. zoom in because I'm using phone. I'm using phone, so you just need to zoom in. If it's on laptop, you will see it clearly, but on phone, zoom in. Price give us this sweep here. It was this sweep that would sponsor this sweep sponsor this downtrend. So now this sweep now, price already did what? Swept this liquidity here now. Price already swept this liquidity. So we know we are on a downtrend. We also have a sweep here too. So with this self, we know we are what? On a downtrend. Price is already giving us what? A new another price is already giving us what? Another circle range. Like external circle range. Price is already giving us another range circle. Let me use range circle, external range circle. So it's giving us a new external range circle to take out all this internal structure liquidity or structural liquidity, to take out all this internal. And remember, we have a imbalance here. I see it as I used to call it imbalance, or people call it fair value gap. Imbalance that needs to be balanced before price move in its direction. So now, we knowing all this now, we already know what our weekly is looking like. It's bearish to take out what? Internal structure liquidity. Like these are internal structure liquidity or structural liquidity. So now, if I'm seeing a buy on the daily, it's just a little buy before coming down, because it's coming down to this level. Hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So now, what will I do? Now I want to do an analysis. You already see that this is a weekly rejection. So now let's go to daily, because you are what? You are a day trader, right? You are a day trader. So a swing trader now, we wait for price to sweep, maybe price to sweep and tap into this level, because it's this level that is close. See, maybe price tap to this level, give us a rejection to the upside, break it. But like, that's what swing trader will wait for though. But I'm not a swing trader, I'm a day trader. So I'll come to my daily time frame. On my daily time frame now, I want to mark a key level where price is probably going to react from. And now you can see on this daily time frame too, this is our weekly internal range of structural liquidity from the weekly here. And this was the swept that price gave us. On this same daily too now, what did we observe now? We observed that price did what? Come down. We can say price swept this internal, because this was a external liquidity that price taking out. So after price take this out, it create an inducement close to it and do what? It create this inducement here to trap in early buyers. But you that know this, you know that it's just a trap. It's just a trap that you'll be selling majorly. So you can wait for your sell to happen, or you can buy if you are very good at it and later catch up yourself. But you are waiting for a sell, and when price did what? Take out this internal, take out this second internal to see what it tapped into a point of interest. I'm coming. Let's change this to line. Let's change this to line to mark a breaker block. Yeah, on this now, I can call this level. I'm seeing like a V, like this V level here. Yeah, is another block. It's not in this scenario. It's not a breaker block. It's another block. So I can mark this level here. On this daily, I'm expecting price to react from this level. So let me change this to line. And what do we see? Price did what? React from that level and close below. Did you see it? So it gives us a what? A new like a new range here also. That's why I said earlier in my video from the beginning, I said you can spot this on all time frame depending on how smart you are. So it can still give us a new level, and after it give us a new level, it comes to take out this. This is an internal liquidity or structural liquidity. It takes it out one and it take this out to two and do what? Give us a sweep from that level. You can see how we are marking this. You can see how we are marking this. So now price giving us a sweep from that level. I'll be expecting price to do what? Come to this level to start that new range. Because if I change this, I'll be seeing a form of QMR. This is a QMR. I will either use this or this, between one of the two. I'm expecting price to react from it and do what? Once price reacts from it on the daily, I just use this to explain some things. So I just hope you get it. I hope you get it. So once price reacts from that level on the daily, I'll be expecting it to take out this range. This is a range, a internal range liquidity. This is another internal range liquidity. This is another internal range liquidity. You can see how I'm just spotting it easily. And this is what? Another internal range liquidity, second to the last. And mind me, I call this PBR, price balance range, because it's a two imbalance opposite each other. This candle here is an imbalance, this candle here is an imbalance. So this place, I just use this to explain something, don't get confused. So this place serves as what? A strong magnet. So on this daily now, I'll be expecting price to, there is this level here I marked now on daily. We see how it is on 4 hours. I'll be expecting price to move up here, maybe here or here, any one of it. See a rejection. After I see a rejection, the rejection is coming to target this level. This level, there's a key level close to it here. Price may probably tap in, just reject up a little bit, give us a short buy, come down again. There is no key level close to this. It will come to this level. We look for a key level here. Price tap into it, move up by a little bit. Now, there's no key level here, but there's this price balance range. Price may probably come because price needs to balance it before moving up back. So price will probably come to the middle or below it, any other price wants to do. But price needs to enter this, balance it. Once price do that, I'll be expecting price to now move up again little bit. Don't forget that we have this, okay, price will now do, don't forget we have this internal range from the weekly. We have this internal range from the weekly that price is expecting to target. So from the, if price do that one now, price will now do what? Come and do what? Target this weekly. If price target this weekly now, it may probably give us a sweep to the upside, maybe a sweep to the upside, pretending to give us a protected low like this. But once price take out this first change liquidity, this first change internal liquidity, or this one, I'll be expecting what? A reversal back, and may not get here. But once I see price take any one of it, I'll be expecting a reversal back into this again. Another range will start, target this again. That is how just price is going to continue moving till it takes out everything to this level here. You can see how we illustrate it. I just hope these things you are not getting confused with them. But let's now, we know that we are what? EURUSD is on a bearish trend. Any bullish trend we see is just for a short bullish, maybe a retracement bullish, but the major trend is what is bearish. Just have that in mind. So now on let's go to 4 hours. Since we mark this level and mark this level, we are expecting price to do what? React from probably, yeah. Let's go to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, we get into 4 hours. 4 hours give me what? Okay, you see this level now I marked before. I may say price will not hold there, but price will try to deceive people here. I will pick this first level, this level here. I'll pick this level here. This level I'll be picking. This level here is where I'll be picking, because there's something I want to show you. Price has used this level already. MSNR, advanced MSNR. Price has used this level already, because we see what? We see this weak rejecting it. So I'll call this weak liquidity. Yeah, I'll call this week's liquidity. Let me delete this. I'll call this week's liquidity. So this new market that is happening now, that will be happening on these 4 hours, I'll be expecting price to do what? Go bullish, take out this liquidity, tap in here like this, and start coming down. This is what I'll just be expecting. This is what I'll be expecting. And you can see how this level is very strong. This level now is called plug and play. MSNR, plug and play, because price has used it before as a what? Price has used it before. This place I circled now. You can see that weak tapped, touch it. Price has used it before as a resistance, and now got broken one. Let me mark it out. Price used here as a resistance, reject down. Now it got broken to the upside. Now price come there, reject it down back, got broken now. So I'll be expecting price to do what? Use this level before price start doing what? Coming down. This is just the illustration I just explained. So now me knowing that this is what a liquidity. Let me just zoom in. This is what a liquidity I'm expecting price to tap into and come down. But on this same 4 hours, if price, let me delete this, if price tapped into this level, I won't enter blindly because price tapped into this level. I'll wait for these 4 hours to give me a break of structure. So let's use line charts to explain that, since I'm using line to draw it. You can see this reaction that is going bearish now. On Monday, I'm expecting price to come up. So if price is coming up, tap into this level. Once price tap into this level, I'm now expecting this to give me a break of structure back to this level, because this was the initial level that generates that tapping. So I'm expecting price to give me break of structure down back to this level. So once price give me a break of structure back to this level, that's the only time I will enter. And if I'm entering from that level, I'm targeting this what? This liquidity here. This liquidity is what I'll be targeting. So let's just assume, let's just see what will happen. Let's just assume that price tap into that level now, break below it. Okay, it's what I am explaining now. Price move up, take out this liquidity, tap into this level, break below it, giving me a bearish break of structure. Where do you think I'll possibly be entering from? I'll be entering from this level here back. My re-entry will be from this level back, because here will be what? A breaker block, because I'm using SMC here now. Here will be a breaker block, MSNR to this a key level here, because trader that want to start buying that does not know about this circle range stuff, price will deceive them, and they will start, since they already see price move up like this and see price retracing like this, price may create some liquidity before getting to this level, and they want to buy from this level. And if price go up a little from this level, we just see price will just do something like this, break below its back. Hope you get. So that's why I said I'll wait for this break of structure. Once I see price break below its back, give me this break of structure. I'll now wait for my re-entry to be that breaker block that happened, and price will start doing what? Coming down to this liquidity. So let's say this is what happened. This is what happened, and I was able to see this, and it happened like this. Let's see what we have as our risk reward ratio RR. Let's mark this, and let's use, if you see this kind of thing, just use 15 pips stop loss, 15 pips maximum is okay. 15 pips is okay, and your 15 pips I think is, no, sorry guys, I think 15 pips is SL. 15 pips is, you just write 15, no, I think 15 pips is 150. Yeah, 15 pips is 150. So just mark what? 15 pips, and you have a beautiful 1:6. 1:6, a beautiful 1:6. Because you are what? You are patient enough to know what price is doing, and you entered after price finish handling his thing. And to me, I believe this is what will happen. To me, I believe what this is what will happen. Even though if price did not take out this liquidity I marked here, if price just tap into this second key level here, hope you are seeing this second key level, I'll wait for that break of structure around this side. I think this is what will happen. Yeah, to me, I think this is what will happen. But if price did not happen like this again, if price come and break this structure on 4 hours, price can also decide to do that. If price, let me just shift this up. 2 scenarios I'm expecting price to do. If price open on Monday and instead for it to go up, it start rejecting from here, I'll wait patiently price to do what? Break structure, take out this week here, take it out. Once price take it out, I will use this level I mark as a breaker block as what? As an order block. Price should tap in like this and start selling. So this is just my Monday prediction, Monday analysis. Is from this level. I don't know. It's from this level. My Monday analysis. Is it that price to do what? Take this liquidity at this upside. Tapping into this sweet key level. At this upside. One. And after price tap into this sweet key level, I'll wait for a break of structure to happen at this major level before entering, or price open instead and come and take out this liquidity here. Once price take out this liquidity here, okay, let me draw this very well. You can see that this analysis, I believe this video will be very super helpful. So if you have been loving everything I've been doing from the very beginning till now, subscribe, like, comment, share. I'm begging, subscribe. Your subscription is very important to me. Subscribe so that it will give me that danger to do more and more of this. So now, if price did not open like this, if it opens like this, I will expect price to do what? Take out this liquidity, tap in from this level, reject from this level. After price reject from this level, give me a break of structure like this. Once price give me a break of structure, anywhere price want to react from, after that break of structure, I will enter from this level. Or I should go to a 1 hour time frame to check. Or majorly, this is where I will enter from, and I will do what? Continue selling to my downside. So this is just the major thing I'm expecting. So once price rejects, okay, let me check quickly. Let me check. There's something I want to check on weekly. If price is rejecting from this side, yeah, if price is rejecting from that side, a probably key level is not close. So price will continue to reject. If I'm able to wait, like patience, that is why I said patience. Patience is the key. That's why my slogan is wait, trap, and strike. You wait for price to do his thing. You wait for price to trap people you want to trap. Is when price trap those people, you will now enter and start to strike. It will now give you that your sniper entry. So you can see that my slogan is not just anyhow slogan. It's something I do, like how I take my analysis. That's what I used to do my slogan. So just like that, that's what we'll be expecting. So, and if price want to do anyhow thing, price may get to this, on daily, this is a daily key level. Price may get to this level here to like an obstacle. Like when price gets here now, maybe selling, that you can get here to like a little obstacle, come like this, come down back like this. This thing I'm saying now, this thing I analyze, I can take this whole week to happen. It can take this whole week to happen. So that's just it. So, and if price took this out again, this is a other, okay. You can see how everything is interwoven, very interwoven with each other. This is what again, another, this is an order block here. This is another block here. People trading other block. Price may probably tap into the middle like this. Take out this liquidity. Once price tap into that middle, because I know what my ranging level is, what my ranging circle is. I know market is what is bearish. It may go bullish little like this. After this little bullish, it will definitely come back again, break below it. After price break below this level here, it will use this as a breakout block, tapping back again and start what? Selling again to do what? Target another liquidity here again. That's just how price is going to move till it gets to where? To this level, and we see what will happen inside this box. So I think this video has explained it all. It has explained it all. It has explained it all. It has explained it all. So have a lovely week ahead and profitable week ahead, because if you are able to watch this video to this very end, you will have a lovely profitable week ahead. So thank you, stay blessed, stay cool, and enjoy your profit as always.